either team on that one. Let's go to the third question now in round 2. And this is for the third player on either team. Why shouldn't we drink salt water? And Barrackpore is running in first. Question again is, why shouldn't we drink salt water? So no guess then from Barrackpore. So we'll give it over to Naparima to give it a try.
We shouldn't drink salt water because the salt would enter the cell, I guess, and you could easily become dehydrated because water is not fresh. It's salty.
I'll ask the judges on that one, a little clarification.
You may need to explain a bit further, please. Could you explain a bit further?
Sure. You should not drink salt water because it is not healthy because the water is not completely fresh, so it could be dangerous to your health. Yeah.
That's inaccurate.
Incorrect. All right, so no points to either side then on that question. Let's go to participant 4 in either team for question 4. List one source of water at home which can be recycled and explain how.
Grey water. Grey water. You can, like after washing clothes, you can use the water to flush toilets and water the garden.
I think you get a ruling on the judges.
Correct, we'll accept.
Correct, okay.
Yeah.
Some other examples we have, air conditioning water can be used for cleaning or watering plants. Shower water can be collected, watering plants or lawns. Laundry water, as you mentioned, can be used to water plants or lawns. And rinse water from washing dishes can then be used to water plants or lawns. And that brings to the end of round 2. Stick around because there's a lot more to come here on WASA's In the Know with H2O. Welcome back. There's some very fascinating stuff going on here at WASA for the very first quiz competition, In the Know with H2O. Home viewers, how many questions have you been able to answer so far? Well, let's see if you can add more to your knowledge, and let's see if the schools could add some more points to their total. Before we go any further, though, here are the scores. Barrackpore East Secondary, 200, Naparima Girls High School, 100. And round 3 begins now. Here we focus on water pollution. And the same routine, guys, so first player on both teams. Give an example of an organic chemical water pollutant and its impact. That would be Naparima.
Nitrates, and they can cause eutrophication in rivers and lakes.
Okay, I'll ask the judges. Not specifically in my list here.
Incorrect.
Incorrect? Okay, so let's Barrackpore have a try.
Rotten vegetables from the kitchen, from domestic kitchen, and their impact, its impact is
no guess? Judges, I guess we'd have to say that's incorrect. Okay, so we move on now to the second question for participant 2 in either team. What is pH and why is it important in water quality? And Barrackpore.
pH is the acidity and the alkalinity of a solution. It it is important to the environment because animals that have, because if the water that contains a high pH level or a very low pH level, it is either harmful for the natural organisms in the water.
I believe that would be qualifying as correct.
Yes, accurate, correct.
Correct. Congratulations, Barrackpore. And on to question 3 in round 3 for participant 3. 3 threes. Name 2 aspects of quarry and landfill contamination. Barrackpore ringing again.
Chemicals, seepage in rivers and streams, and the gravel and sand in the river.
I believe that would be the 2 answers basically I have here.
Correct.
Correct. Congratulations, Barrackpore. And now question 4 in round 3 for the 4th player in either team. What is the difference between an organic pollutant and an inorganic pollutant? Naparima.
An organic pollutant is one that's completely natural, and an inorganic pollutant can be chemical or man-made, engineered or created.
Judges?
Would you mind to clarify further?
Okay, well, organic, it's natural, so it can be found from vegetables, rotten vegetables. It can be found from sewage as well. And inorganic means chemicals like plant nutrients, nitrates, phosphorus, like that.
Okay, accept this. Accept correct?
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Congratulations, Naparima. And now that round 3 is in the bag, I know you're probably eager to know the tally so far. And here it is. Barrackpore East Secondary, 400. Naparima Girls High School, 200. Are you all having a good time? It's time for round 4. And the category is water treatment, distribution, and transmission. And let's proceed with round 4 now, with question 1, again, for the first player in either team. What is the 3rd step in the water treatment process? That would be Naparima, I believe?
Filtration.
No, I don't believe that is correct, according to my answer here.
Incorrect. Incorrect.
Incorrect. Barrackpore?
Sedimentation.
No, incorrect as well. It's floc formation in the flocculation chamber. So let's move on to question 2 for participant 2 in either team. What is sedimentation? Naparima.
Sedimentation is the settling of the sediments in the sedimentation tank. Sediments such as soil or gravel.
Judges?
Yes, we'll accept it.
We'll accept that? Okay.
There we go.
The actual answer we had here was the removal of solids from water by gravity settling. And we go on to question 3 for participant 3 in either team. List 2 areas supplied by the Hollis water treatment plant. Nobody going to buzz in on that one? And the timer's up, so we've got no answer in that question, so we can move along. The answers were Arima and Aruka. And now question 4 for participant 4 in either team. List 1 areas supplied by the Highlands Road water treatment plant. Naparima.
Arima.
No. Not on my list. Any guesses from Barrackpore? Not even a guess? No? Okay, the answers we have are Culloden, Devines Road, Golden Lane, Highlands, Moriah, Mount Thomas, Runnymede, and Woodlands. Right, so that's the end of that round of questioning. Thanks for staying with us here in C. Don't go anywhere because the action returns after this. And we're back, and this is the ultimate round on WASA's In the Know with H2O. Are you ready for battle? Before we proceed, here are the scores. Barrackpore East Secondary 400, Naparima Girls High School 300. Naparima Girls Secondary, are you ready? Yeah? Barrackpore East Secondary, are you ready? All right, we're going on the brink of finding our first qualifying quarterfinal team. Let's get right into it. The segment focuses on WASA's dry season plan for 2011. Remember, this is the team component in round 5. And here's the question. Question 1. The impounded storage of the Hollis Reservoir is... And nobody's buzzed in, and we're out of time on that one, unfortunately. Just missed it there, Barrackpore. And let's move on to the second question then. Again, teams, you can consult. You have 15 seconds to go. How many customers will benefit from the new La Fortune water treatment plant in Point Fortin?
$5,000.
That is correct. Well, I should mention the answer to the previous question about the Hollis Reservoir is 1 billion gallons, by the way. Let's go on to the next question in the team round. How many customers will benefit from the new water treatment plant in Matura? Naparima?
3,000.
I'm afraid that's incorrect. Barrackpore, any guess?
1,000.
That is absolutely correct. And we continue with the team questions. This is for both teams to try and ring on. List 4 hydrometric regions in Tobago. Naparima.
Courland, Richmond, Hillsborough, and it's not that. Courland, Richmond.
All right, time is up,
Hillsborough.
unfortunately. Care to take a guess,
There
Barrackpore?
was a next one.
Or perhaps you know.
There was a next one. I remember it from the other booklet.
The Courland, Richmond, Hillsborough, and
Well, we're out of time. Unfortunately, the answer I have here are North Coast, East Coast, Windward, Courland, and Lowland. So in any case. And that was the end of round 5. Who will sail away today's winner? Well, we'll have to wait until after the break to find out. Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for staying with us here on C for WASA's quiz show, In the Know with H2O. We've now come to the end of the game, and the final scores for today are Barrackpore East Secondary, 450 points, Naparima Girls High School, 400 points. Congratulations to Barrackpore East Secondary Schools.